Dow Jones last week initially traded bearish and then a sharp breakout has been seen towards the end of the week. We had discussed there in few weeks back that it is consolidated here, bound to rise, forming the flag pattern and now trying to reverse. So now what to expect next week? Is it going to continue with the bull run or we can still see a bearish move ahead? Which position you should take in order to profit trading Dow Jones next week? We will see with the help of charts followed with indicators, and towards the end I will give you the trading levels and strategy. Do watch till the end. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon which keeps you updated with the twice a day analysis which I share for major global markets and commodities. Also, you can get the live updates by joining our free Telegram channel. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Let's first begin with the charts. Now, if you look at the charts here, see this was the bottom formed here in last October 2022. Double bottom was seen and then since a rally. Since then, if you look at the long run, still you will find US30 is trading in this channel here. This is a sideways channel which might be seeing a breakout about 35,000 levels, but right now it is still trading in this sideways pattern. At the same time, if you look at the near term, you'll find another base getting created here at 31,500, 32,000 levels. Since then, a V-shaped recovery and then a flag pattern, and this is the breakout here. So once it gives a breakout, certainly a little more up move can be expected. But as we have seen in the near term, it is still trading sideways in this channel, and the highs here at around 34,500, 34,300 levels. So this zone is something which we should definitely watch out for. Now coming to the near term, what it is seen here is, see the reversal sign here, retracement, higher lows, and then this breakout. Also, this is coming out of the channel, first bullish candle. Possibly it can continue with the second or third bullish candle. Second bullish candle means a double top at least 34,000, 34,200, 300 zone, which is going to give it a maximum resistance. And if it breaks past this, certainly one can stay long further for 34,500, which is the next resistance zone. Till here, very good resistance exists for US30. Beyond that, sky is the limit. Definitely we'll see 35,000, and we had discussed this few weeks back also that yes, we are looking at 35,000 levels. Now let's have a look at the weekly charts and then little near long term. US30 on a little long term. See, after COVID we have seen a strong rally, post COVID then a retracement, and now it has come out of this bearish channel. Now this is after staying almost for the entire 2022, it is stayed bearish and then a sharp recovery towards the end. Now if you look at the recovery also, higher highs are seen, and if you look at the weekly charts, it is still trading in this, and this is a beautiful flag pattern which it has formed. Now what we had seen on the daily charts is same applicable here on the weekly charts as well. This is the zone here at 34,000, 34,200. In fact, till 34,500 one has to be extra cautious, because beyond that we may see it flying high. And in the last week's analysis we also discussed one more point, that see most of the markets are besides US market, most of the other markets, be it UK, US, Europe, and be it in fact Chinese market or be it Asian market, Nikkei also have seen all-time high levels post-COVID era for once. In fact, US markets have also achieved a high, but since then we have seen a bearishness, and now they are on the path of a recovery. So a possible recovery can be expected, and these might continue for a little while. So a breakout can be expected. Now look at the weekly charts once again. You can see higher lows are seen, higher highs are seen, flat top, a small wick on the upside, which means staying above 33,800, one can stay long for 34,000, 34,300 zone, and in fact 34,500. Second bullish candle can be expected. Now what it has done, drop, rise, retracement on the path of a second wave, and this is a steeper one, which means we can see it flying high till towards 35,000 levels. This is also very much possible. See, if it can recover almost 1,000 points in a week or so, it can cover another 1,000 points next week. Possibility exists for this. But let's say, yes, it is still got the bullishness intact. However, we have to wait for it to break out between 34,000, 34,200, 300, and then 34,500. These three levels it needs to break past by in order to sustain the bullish momentum. Remember this fact. Till 34,500, we should not be considering this as a complete reversal or a complete bullishness. Now look at the monthly candle. Now same thing can be observed on the monthly candle. See the bearishness here. The breakout was seen there, and you can also see two extremely bullish candle and then this flag formation. If you look at the highs also for this candle, you will find 34,000, 34,200. In fact, till 34,500 the possibility of a reversal will exist, and hence till there one has to remain extra cautious. But once it stays above 34,500, certainly we are looking at 35,000 plus levels in the month of June. We can see it giving very good breakout in the month of June itself, and hence one has to be careful, be watchful. You can buy at 33,800 next week. 33,800 is also a very good resistance. Beyond that, 34,000, 34,200, 300 the next target, and then 34,500 will get breached. Now this is with the help of charts alone. Let's have a look with the help of indicators. What are the indicators are suggesting? If you look at the indicators, candles have taken a support from the 20 months average. Moving averages are divergent here on the monthly charts, and the super trend is still on the sell, but with a long distant away resistances. The resistance is far away levels. If you look at the directional movement, this is still bearish on the monthly charts. The MACD has retraced a bit, trying to look upwards. The stochastic was there. The MACD, if you look at MACD, now we have discussed this several times. If you look at the US30's movement since last few years, you can find, see, this is the base created, and with that as base, rise, retracement, rise, retracement, rise, retracement, and on the monthly chart, this is the fourth time it is coming to the bottom, and hence possible recovery from here again can be expected. I will wait for this crossover to happen in order to sustain the bullish momentum on the monthly charts. RSI almost flat, and if you look at the weekly chart, now see, on the weekly charts, the moving average is crossed over here, the 20 and 50 period. The 100 period is already trading at bottom, and it is still giving bullish signs. Precisely, it has reversed from the 100 period moving average. This is also a bullish sign. Now this is exponential average. If you see the simple average, the 20 and 100 period has crossed over here. Now the 20 period started to look upwards. Certainly 32,500 on the downside is a very good support. With that as support, we have seen it rising. The direction movement trying to converge here, it was bearish. Stochastic has dropped, now trying to look forward to a second high and looking upwards. MACD almost near to bottom, and it has still got some scope for it to rise, and RSI almost at top, almost comfortable, rather not at top. Now look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, the 20 and 50 period moving averages have crossed over here. This was the bearish sign. It traded bearish. Now suddenly with one candle it has started to look upwards, and this is a good sign. Now this is the support levels at 33,200. Till the time US30 respects 33,200 levels, we can expect that the bullish momentum might continue. Also, the Bollinger bands have narrowed here, and now possibly it may try to breach this band. Also, another point, look at the super trend has turned green here, and this could be a very good sign that at least near term bullishness may sustain. If the next candle turns to be green, we can see US30 is sustaining the bullish momentum, taking it above 35,000 levels very soon in the month of June itself. Be very cautious and alert. We will definitely watch out the resistance levels on the upside. See, the direction movement has also crossed over, divergent and bullish. Stochastic looking up. MACD taking a crossover here, and with a sharp green candle, this is also a bullish sign here, and it is started to look upwards after a strong bearish journey. Long bearish journey now have started to look upwards. RSI looking upwards, so everything indicating towards a bullish momentum. Also remember, a little retracement till towards 33,200. Till there possibly it can retrace. Till then, till 33,000 also, I will not consider this as bearish. Only below 33,000 levels you can say that US30 has reversed, and we can see it continue trading with the continual bearishness. Now we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for me to define the trading levels and strategy so that you can trade profitably. First, before we proceed with the charts, before we proceed with the trading levels and strategy, yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you should join my 20-second mentorship batch, which starts on 5th of June. Couple of seats are left. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. Also, you can be part of my signals channel where you're trading as per the signals. Definitely you'll profit. Again, reach out to me via Telegram or email for more details, either be on trading or signals channel, training or signals channel. My Telegram and email IDs are the ones which are mentioned in the channel and video description. Just scroll down and you will find the details. Now, where to buy? 33,800. It will definitely break 33,800 for once, and hence let's give a little nearby resistances at 33,860. Once it breaks beyond 33,860, just stay long. We are going to look at 34,000 levels this time. This is also a very good resistance, and beyond that 34,200 and 300. I am combining this because this is a little, you can say, here is a good resistance zone of 100 points where we'll find a little resistance beyond that 34,500. Now this is the level. If it breaks past by, that is 34,500, just stay long. It is going to hit 35,000 levels in the month of June itself. You will get at least 500 points. For next week also, these levels will be respected, and hence you can take your positional trades accordingly. Now remember, till 33,200 is respected in the month of June. Every drop, if you see it dropping till towards the, what it will try to do, it will try to achieve a high first at above 34,000 levels, 34,200, 300 levels. Try to retrace from there. If it retraces from there and you get an opportunity to enter a buy at around 33,200, 300, that it should be the level where you can take a buy and expect it to rise again. That is what is the retracement till 33,200. If it respects and it continues further dropping from there, at least the stop losses are very nearby, and hence you will not be you can say you'll not be having a tension with that trade, because that is the positional trade, and a smaller stop loss will definitely can bring bigger gains there, so the chances will increase. Now on the downside, where to sell? I will only recommend you to sell here at 33,670 levels. Below that 33,600, 33,500. Now these are two very strong support levels, and if it drops past this 33,350 and 33,200, now till 33,200 it has got very good support level, and if it breaches this, little more bearishness below 33,200, I will be turning almost 50% bearish, not completely. And if it drops below, then certainly we can see more bearishness till towards 32,800, 700, till 500. Every 100 points is a resistance, and I will not be considering this in fact bearish, because this is the previous bottom. I do not see it breaking this bottom anytime soon. Possibly it can continue with the higher highs before retracing. So take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signal channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you.